Let's look at the process of solvent welding Flowguard Gold CPVC pipe and fittings using a one-step cement. First, measure and cut the pipe to length with an approved tool or saw. Ensure that the pipe is cut square to ensure proper joining. Utilize an appropriate deburring tool to bevel the outer edge of the pipe. Be sure to wipe debris and moisture away before proceeding. Apply an even layer of cement to the pipe first. Ensure consistent contact and make several rotations with the dauber as needed. Then, repeat the process on the inside of the fitting. Next, insert the pipe into the fitting while turning a quarter turn or approximately 90 degrees. Hold for 30 seconds to allow the joint to take. Wipe excess cement from the outside of the pipe. Installation is simple, easy, and safe. Flowguard Gold pipe and fittings are the premier choice of contractors worldwide. For more information, go to flowguardgold.com.